find the area of the shaded region. So here we got this region bounded by this curve e to the ex, red curve, and below this we got this blue curve y equals x times e raised to x squared. So we need to find this area, and this area is bounded at here x equals 0, and here that's x equals 1. So if we take a sample rectangle, which is not needed, this will be like this, and we got infinitely many of these. So we want to integrate with respect to x from 0 to 1, and upper curve minus lower curve. So the area is upper curve ex minus lower curve x ex squared. Okay, all right. This is x ex squared. Obviously function of x, so with respect to x, and this sample curve could be anywhere from 0 to 1. Sample rectangle from 0 to 1. Okay, now we need to integrate this one and this function and this function. Unfortunately, this function is a product. There is no product rule. That means we need to use substitution or other methods. We'll see. For the first part, we can separate into two integrals, 0 to 1 of ex dx, or we can integrate ex, which is ex itself. Okay, that part is not difficult. Minus integral of x e raised to x squared with respect to x. Antiderivative of ex is ex. We go from 0 to 1. That part is none. Minus here the antiderivative of ex squared. Now we need to use the u substitution. How does that work? So let me do over here without limits. So x ex squared dx. So this is inside function, e raised to something, that's more complicated part. Okay, so u is x squared. Let u be x squared. Then we find its derivative, which is 2x dx. Now we solve for dx. That means bring, okay, I moved this over. I meant derivative is only 2x. Now we swap, then du over 2x is dx. Okay, that makes this integral now x, no information, e raised to u, and dx is du over 2x. Now x cancel, these two can be pulled outside, that's 1/2 integral of eu du, 1/2, antiderivative of eu is eu plus c, not needed because we are in definite integral case. So, and u is in fact x squared. So I want to come back and write this is 1/2 times e raised to u, which is x squared. And that is again from 0 to 1. Okay. For this part now, upper limit e raised to 1 minus lower limit e raised to 0. Minus, same thing here, upper limit 1 means 1/2 e raised to 1 squared, just 1. Minus lower limit, let's plug in 0, 1/2 times e raised to 0 squared, just 0, e raised to 0. E raised to 1 is just e, an irrational number, minus e raised to 0 is 1. Minus, let me distribute this negative as well. E raised to 1 is just e, 1/2 e, minus minus plus, e raised to 0 is 1, so 1/2. Okay, minus minus plus. Now we can combine. Here is e minus 1/2 e. One copy of e minus 1/2 copy of e. That means subtract 1/2 copy of e. It's like x minus 1/2 x. And here is -1 plus 1/2. -1 plus 1/2. That means -1/2. That's the final answer. The best we can do is factor 1/2 out, e minus 1. Or here, we can leave here as well. Okay, final.